Hi everyone, this is an updated video on a UPS that I modded to have a longer standby time with just adding batteries. What I did previously, I added a fan to keep the circuit cool from overheating so it can last, but the fan control was done by this. Now it works, but it didn't really work for me. So what I decided to do is upgrade it with an Arduino Nano and a small OLED display. So currently I have the display is on. So what I have is I've shown the temperature, the top one, and then the battery. Now the temperature sensor that I went with is the DS18B20, which is a very nice sensor for the Arduino. I could have gone with this and built up a voltage divider to do it, but I decided to go with a digital sensor, which I know works nice. So how this is set up, if the temperature goes below a certain level, the fan switches off. When it goes above a certain level, the fan switch on. But I've added a power MOSFET to my circuit, and with this I can actually control the fan speed with the help of the Arduino Nano. And to determine the fan speed, I actually take the reading from the sensor and I map it to the output of the digital output. The code is quite simple. I've just simply stated the libraries that I use. Just quickly going to explain everything. So this is just simply getting the data from stating which pin, digital pin the temperature sensor will be on, and as well as just where to get the temperature from. Then I just quickly define some parameters and also just state the output of the PWM output that I need for the power MOSFET. Then just some simple calculations for getting the voltage correct, and this is just a simple offset that I place in for the voltage divider to display the correct voltage, and then as well as the sensor. Now this is where the fun bit starts. For it to activate, the temperature must be above 25 degrees. It will turn on, and it will do analog write of pin 5, and it will map it to temperature. This is my temperature. I've stored it into an integer, and this is just the temperature that I'm getting back from the sensor. So I map this, so anything from 10 degrees to 60 will be mapped to 0 to 255. Now why did I pick 10? It's because to the offset this, so the fan will actually start turning. If it was 25 degrees, the fan will not turn, and it will take longer for the fan to speed up, so it will just stand and humming. So with this, it offset the voltage output enough to actually turn on the fan when it reached 25 degrees. Then just a simple, I've got a voltage monitoring LED, so this is just if the voltage is below a certain set voltage, the LED will just turn on. And then this is the OLED displays. Okay, for a quick demonstration. So currently the temperature is at only 22 degrees, can't really see that nice. And if I introduce the sensor to a cup of hot water, you'll see the temperature increasing and the fan start. And obvious, the higher the temperature, the faster the fan will spin. And as the temperature goes down, the fan speed reduces,